you are their puppet masters. You must move them throughout the scene. They cannot move their own bodies. You have to lie in here. Alright, so the way you're going to do that is you can grab their arms, you can lift it, they will stay there, pretend they're made of wire. They will go in whatever positions you want them to go in. You can bend them over, you can stand them up, you can turn them from side to side, you can turn their heads right and left, chill, never 360. If you want to make them move forward, you can tap them behind the legs, they will take steps. Tap them in front of the legs, they will take steps backwards. If you want them to obviously turn direction, you can turn them and make them do a step and they'll turn because there's not a lot of line motion right here. So just be careful. So, get neutral. Get neutral. Alright. So, 3 rules. Please don't make them fall down to the ground. Definitely don't make them fall off of the stage. Actually, 4 rules. 3rd rule, don't you guys fall off of the stage. And do not make them hit each other, make any physical contact that's going to cause them to hurt or want to hit you back. Alright, so, do you have any questions? Good. Okay, so, as a suggestion, for this scene, I would like, if you're going for Halloween, what would your mother be dressed up as that would embarrass the crap out of you?
Medusa.
Medusa, thank you, because that's disgusting. Alright, so, this scene has something to do with Medusa. Puppet Masters, Jill and Joel, the Puppet Masters, beginning in 3, 2, and 1.
I worked long and hard on my costume. I raised these snakes from little snakelets, and now they're on my head.
Oh, you look disgusting.
This one's my favorite. What are you doing, Nancy? I'm confused.
I can't decide whether I want to be a pumpkin or a Ninja Turtle.
Do you like little snakes? I noticed you're painted them.
Feel really gross. Are you casting spells?
I am a ballerina in real life. I can show you some things. This is first position. This is second position. This is third position. This is fourth position. This is fifth position. It looks a lot like first position, but it is different. And this is the crane kick.
Talk a lot.
I'm showing you all the positions.
So you're a beautiful mommy. Will you help me carve the jack-o'-lantern?
I would love to help you carve a
It's right down
jack-o'-lantern.
here. I put it down here on the floor.
Pick it up.
Okay.
Pick it up.
I'm trying.
We're so lazy.
Oh, so heavy, but I'm strong. Look, I can hold it in my arms. Oh, I can hold it over my head.
You just hold it there while I go get a knife from the kitchen.
Oh,
I'll just go this way and get a knife from the kitchen. I just waved in the kitchen. I haven't actually get a knife yet, but I would like to go get a knife.
Just hurry up, my arms are burning.
You're very weak and I'm trying to help you out. I'll just pat. All right, I'll go to the kitchen. Just kidding. I'll go. Here I am. The kitchen was very close, and I already had a knife in my hand.
Punched right through the pumpkin. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, we gotta go to the pumpkin store. There's a pumpkin stand right over there. That's lucky.